Perez Rumanzi uri umunyamakuru arukora mu district ya Ntungamo ahirwa bukuru bwa nyuma y'abamemba b'ekibina cya Lions Club okumutorana kwebembere ekibina cy'inka president umukoro gukorirwaho mu Trust Resort umuri Ntungamo municipality.
It is rather a great moment for me and my friends in the media and the world at large that a member of the media is following in the footsteps of great men in Lions Club International that started in October 10th, 1917.
Bwanyuma yo kuheza okujweko bwa president Perez Rumanzi araganise kutanikira kugaruza hebyo buhangwa obwarukozesa amani menji akwatanise n'abebembezi hamwe n'ebitongore bindi.
The behavioral illnesses that we face the cancer in the world are a result of poor environment conservation. Environment protection in coordination with state agencies including UNRA, National Environment Management Authority, National Forest Authority, Ntungamo District Local Government and Ntungamo Municipality. We would wish to start what was last done by Baguta.
Umukoro gugukirwe hinkuyanja y'abantu abarimo wabira yesimbira habwa president bwa Uganda kano Dr. Kiza Besigye osimire kitongore cya Lions Club okwehayo korra abantu.
As I have pointed out, is a service that directly touches the quality of life of our people. And it means that where public services that are normally rendered by the state are insufficient, the call on the service of Lion and other service clubs becomes even much more critical.
Dan Mbahamiza uri omuhandiki w'ekibina cya Lions Club kandi okurira omukoro gwo kutabebembeza abasya hantebe ayerekero kwerarikira habwa Ntungamo district okora kuba mu financial yehwire nuko kushaba bamemba b'ekibina cya Lions Club okurebuka ngo bakwatanisa n'abebembezi kutungura habuhereza.
Because Ntungamo was having a very bad name in performance rating. So that means we still need more hands to serve. When you see that, that's government of Uganda official report on performance. And Ntungamo district position was not good.
Abantu abana bwanyuma nabo batahibu mu kibina eki ombutongore gasha kwa Simon Ayamba.